Hi, good evening everyone. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic related to Goldengate, how to apply patch in Oracle Goldengate. So this is one of the most common thing which we have to do regularly. The reason being Oracle produces their patch, they releases their patch to fix some bug which is not covered, not at all fixed in the base for release, or they tend to roll out their patches. So based on the bug you identified in your environment, you have to apply the patch. So what are the steps you are going to follow to apply the patch? We are going to discuss here. So the need for applying the patch in my environment came due to this replicate checkpoint not happening. So I'll find here time since checkpoint will continue to increase. Now I found that they have rolled out one patch. My Goldengate version is, let me log in and show it to you. So Goldengate version is 12.2.0.1.1. So herein we have known issues for the replicate checkpoint. So I found one patch I raised in SR with Oracle. They gave me one patch to resolve the issue. So I have to download that patch from support.oracle.com. So I'll sign in and I'll then go to patches and updates, and therein I type 22927739 is the patch number. I know the patch number and I know the environment for which I have to download. So I'll click on search. So when I search over here, I'll find my patch. So I'll download it. Before downloading, I would like to go ahead and read me. So my patching is the reason for applying the patch is this reason. I can see wrong checkpoint information for integrated replicate. So this is the known reason and they have cleared the fix 22830.589. So I'm going to apply the patch now. So now what steps do we need to follow to apply the patch? So first and foremost thing is you should take the backup of this Goldengate directory. So before doing that, you have to stop the process, stop all the process including data pump, replicate and extract. I filled the replicate because it won't stop on its own. Now start the backup. So cp gg underscore src to gg underscore src underscore bkp I'll do, and I'll press enter for this. Once this cp-r gg underscore src underscore src underscore bkp, press enter. So the backup directory will take some time and it requires space. Make sure you have adequate space to take backup. The backup is required to ensure that you don't miss out anything, so that if there is any issues while doing the patching, you are saved. So before taking the backup, you have to ensure that your processes are stopped. So before starting the backup, two things: you should have a backup, you should have processes stopped. So the backup is taken now. Now next step is, now once the backup is completed, your processes are stopped. So what you need to do, you need to change the Oracle home. So export Oracle home. You need to export your Oracle home to your Goldengate directory. So you have to change your Oracle home for patching purpose and point your Oracle home to Goldengate directory. So I'm doing that. Once you are done, inside the Goldengate directory you have a directory called as opatch. So you have to include this location inside your path variable. So do echo path and then export path equal to already present location and add your opatch location over there. Now I'll add opatch path. This is required to invoke opatch, which is inside opatch. If I do ls-lart inside opatch, so I have to invoke this opatch. For this purpose I need to include this path in this directory in the path variable. Now once we are done, now the downloading of this software which we were downloading, so once you have identified, you can download the patch now from this location. Click on download, and once it downloads, click click on download. Once it download is completed, so I have already downloaded it on my machine and transferred it to Linux box. It is already present. So this is the patch which was downloaded. So what I need to do now, next, once you have exported the Oracle home to Goldengate directory, included the opatch inside the path variable. Next is you can now unzip. Unzip P229. Unzip it. Unzip P2. So the binaries are getting unzipped now. So unzipping will take inside, actually what happens when you unzip, a folder with the directory name of patch number is created. So if I do now, so we will have 22927739 directory as well. So I'm inside this patch number directory. So now you can check whether your path is set successfully or not by doing which opatch. So it will say opatch is inside this directory, and then you can check opatch ls inventory to confirm what all patches are currently present in this home. So it says that in this Goldengate, in this Oracle home, you have Oracle Goldengate 12.2.0.0.0, and there are no interim patches installed in this Oracle home. So now to patch it, you need to execute command opatch apply. So it will check the prerequisite. It has some prerequisite such as space. You should have that much space available. So do you want to proceed? Why? Is the local system ready for patching? Yes. So now patching is in progress. So patching is going to take some time. It will take few minutes basically. So while patching, you have to keep in mind you are not logged in to ggSCI prompt. All the processes should be stopped. You should have taken the backup of this. If backup is not there, then you have the option of rolling back the patch, which we are going to see later on. However, it is always a good practice to take the backup before starting the patch. So it still says backing of files. So for the reference purpose, I have also prepared the document over here. So it says, before starting the patch, find the Oracle home, GG home, also ensure backup of existing Goldengate directory is done, and stop the processes before patch could be applied. Then you have to export Oracle home, verify, do opatch ls inventory, and then complete the patching. So let us see what is the status of patching. So it is still patching component Oracle OGG core Ora 12c. So still the patch is in progress. So once the patching would be complete, you will get the message OPatch succeeded. That means OPatch has been applied. Now I'll go to previous directory and now I'll do ggSCI. So now I am into ggSCI prompt and now you can see the version has been changed. While we have applied the version has been changed. So I'll take a new session and do su-oracle. So when I do info all, now I can start the processes. Start mgr, start extint, start dpint, and start ret1 as well. Now I can also confirm whether the patch has been applied successfully or not. I can do opatch ls inventory. So when I do opatch ls inventory now, you will find now, earlier it said that no interim patches are installed. Now you can see it says interim patches patch 2292739 has been installed on applied on Friday Jan 27th 17:09:28 EST, and bugs which are fixed inside this patch are these bugs. So now all my processes must be up and running. So when I do info all, I'll find all my processes are up and running. So if you see now, the replicate checkpoint will happen every 10 seconds. So if I do stats rep1, it has applied 4 updates which were pending. So by applying the patch, the checkpoint information is getting updated properly without any issues. Now suppose you have to roll back the patch. You can also roll back the patch. So for rolling back the patch, you have to ensure that all your processes are stopped. Same thing you have to do. Now after 2 days, suppose you come across and you have to roll back the patch. So what you need to do? You need to stop all the processes. Ensure that all the processes are stopped. Then stop the manager as well. Stop mgr. So all the processes are stopped. Verify. Once you are done, you have to follow the same process of setting up the pointing your Goldengate home to Oracle home to Goldengate directory and setting up the path. So we'll verify these settings. So path currently contains opatch, that is correct, and I'll check Oracle home should be pointing to Goldengate directory. Yeah, this is correct. Now I need to go to directory and I'll roll back the patch. How? opatch rollback -id and patch number 22927739. So it says rollback session. Is the local system ready for patching? I'll say yes. See, it says please shut down Oracle instances running out of this Oracle home. So you have to ensure all the Goldengate processes are stopped before you apply the patch. So right now I'm rolling back the patch. So it should be done again, it should be done in few minutes. In fact seconds, rolling back should not take much time. So if you have to verify again, you'll need to type opatch ls inventory, and now it should get no patch installed over there. So that means you have successfully rolled back the patch. So I can do opatch ls inventory. So it says there are no interim patches installed in this Oracle home. So your rollback of patches also done. So this is how we do apply the patch in Oracle Goldengate, and we do roll back the patch. So continue to watch more videos. So you can always join or reach out to me at my WhatsApp number is +91 7208 729978, and my call number is +1 4168 715 708, and I'm in Canada. Thank you. Thanks for watching this. Bye.